Namaskar. We will showcase another impressive performance today as we present Day 4 of Nritya Parva, A New Beginning, an 8-day event exemplifying rich classical dance styles of India. We want to welcome everyone and convey our gratitude for gracing each day's show. We hope that we are imparting the main objective of staging this great festival to ensure the preservation and the revival of India's traditional values and performing arts heritage. Today, we are deeply honored to present yet another remarkable master, widely known and acknowledged in the Odissi dance style. A dance of love and passion, touching on the divine and the human, the sublime and the mundane. Please enjoy the performance. The master performer for today is Srimati Jhelum Paranspe, a leading dancer, teacher and choreographer in Odissi. Srimati Jhelum began her career with Shri Shankar Behera and graduated to the doyen of Odissi, Guru Kelucharan Mahapatra. Srimati Jhelum's long-standing association with the Guru and mentor Kelucharan Mahapatra blossomed into a beautiful creative relationship with Odissi. Noted for her originality in choreography, her versatility ranges from classical Odissi to experimental movements. She reaches out to the audiences by creating new mediums for expressing unique contemporary issues through dance. She is a recipient of prestigious awards such as Maharashtra Rajya Sanskritik Puraskar, Mahari Puraskar, Kanaka Nartana Puraskar, Sanjukta Panigrahi Award. She has received many awards and has travelled across countries and has been regularly conducting workshops. Today Srimati Jhelum will perform 3 items. The first, Draupadi. The music composition is by Harihar Panda and the dance choreography by Guru Pankaj Charan Das. The second item would be Bhakti. The music composition is by Manoj Desai and the dance choreography by Srimati Jhelum Paranspe herself. The third would be Moksha. The music composition by Pandit Bhubaneshwar Mishra. Dance choreography by Guru Kelucharan Mahapatra. In this item, her 2 students, Rupali Kadam and Sumed Pawar, would join her.
Namaskar and a warm welcome to all those who have tuned in today. I'm extremely happy that IAID, the most prominent performing arts academy of Qatar, got this brilliant idea of getting 8 Indian classical dances together on one virtual platform. And am I glad that I am participating in this? Thank you very much for inviting me to be part of Nritya Parva. Today, the first item that I will present before you is Draupadi Vastraharan. But everybody knows the story of Draupadi Vastraharan. But this presentation has a difference. In this one, Draupadi questions her 5 husbands. When Dushasana pulls her into the court, she asks him to wait. She questions her 5 husbands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How could you do this? Why did you do this? You just played a game of dice and you lost me to these Kauravas. Aren't you going to help me now? She goes to each of her husbands individually, talks to them first in anger, then she pleads. And when even finally Bhima does not listen to her, she does not know what to do. Then she appeals to Lord Krishna. But she questions him too. She asks him, you are the Lord of the universe. You know what is going to happen, what will happen. You saw them playing the game of dice. Couldn't you stop? What has happened? Couldn't you intervene? Why did you not intervene? But Krishna does not answer her. And then finally, Draupadi pleads to him, "Dear Lord, help me, help me, help me, and save me."
जाज्ञसेनी वितिहोत्र संभुता पंचपति भोग्य द्रुपद दुहिता तेजस्विनी सती अधर्म धौता कृष्ण प्राण प्रिया कृष्ण ध्रुपदे विदिता
तारी किड़तक ताजेणु ता किड़तक ताजेणु ता किड़तक धा तारी किड़तक ताजेणु ता किड़तक ताजेणु ता किड़तक धा तारी किड़तक ताजेणु ता किड़तक ताजेणु ता किड़तक धा तारी किड़तक ताजेणु ता किड़तक ताजेणु ता किड़तक धा ताजेणु जेणु ता झों किट्टा ताक तिनतिनकट 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 ता गधा धा गदिगिन धा ताजेणु जेणु ता झों किट्टा ताक तिनतिनकट 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 ता गधा धा गदिगिन धा धेग दिंदा ता गदिगिन धा ता धेग दिंदा ता गदिगिन धा ता धेग दिंदा ता गदिगिन धा
रखिबे कि न रखिबे पड़िछि विपदे
पांडवंक निष्ठुरता देखी महासती मने मने सुमरिले प्रभु जदुपति गोविंदंक पादे मन चैतन्य को देई मन बिरसे बसिले एकलये ध्याई
धाम धाम धा धा गदी गिरिधा धाम धाम धा धा गदी गिरिधा धाम धाम धा धा गदी गिरिधा झोम किड तक तिन तेरे किड तक गदी गिन दा झोम ता तिन तेरे किड तक गदी गिन झोम किड तक तिन तेरे किड तक गदी गिन दा झोम ता तिन तेरे किड तक गदी गिन थिन तिन किड तक थिन तिन किड तक गदी गिन थिन तिन किड तक थिन तिन किड तक गदी गिन थिन तिन किड तक थिन तिन किड तक गदी गिन थिन तिन किड तक थिन तिन किड तक गदी गिन ता झोम किड तक झोम ता झोम किड तक झोम ता झोम किड तक झोम दिन धा धा धा
शंभु स्वयं भूतम्बोळि धरातुर धीर अम्बुनिधि अधिप सुधाकर भार भार वन्दित कनक कुनाद सर शिरावनद कर कि भाव भक्ति कारण दाता दक्ष दक्ष लक्ष्य भेदे आरक्ष पक्ष प्रभेदे दक्ष दक्ष लक्ष्य भेदे आरक्ष पक्ष प्रभेदे रुक्ष ख्याणि दीपक्ष समाखे ख्यात भारते कारण दाता हस्तिना सभांगानि केश आकर्षित घानि विवस्त्राकरणे क्षिप्त दुर्मति दुस्साहस्ति कारण दाता
झणक झणु पुतक ता थोम ता किडते गदी गिन धा झणक झणु पुतक ता थोम ता किडते गदी गिन धा ता झेणा किटी ताक झणा झेणु किटी ताक ता झेणा किटी ताक झणा झेणु किटी ताक ता झेणा ता किटी तक धा ता झेणा ता किटी तक धा ता झेणा ता किटी तक झणा झेणु किटी तक झणा झेणु किटी तक झणा झेणु किटी तक ता झेणा ता किटी तक धा ता झेणा ता किटी तक धा ता झेणा ता किटी तक झणा झेणु किटी तक झणा झेणु किटी तक झणा झेणु किटी तक ता झेणा ता किटी तक धा ता झेणा ता किटी तक धा ता झेणा ता किटी तक Dhatinda, Dhatinda Dha, Dhatinda Dha, Dhatinda, Dhatinda Dha, Dhatinda Dha, Dhatinda Dha.
The second piece that I present is based on a Marathi Abhanga. An Abhanga is a devotional song written by a saint poet. This poet was called Tsokhamela. He was of the so-called low caste, and hence he was not allowed into the temple of Lord Vitthal. Lord Vitthal, none other than Lord Jagannath or Lord Krishna. He was not allowed into the temple, but he was an ardent devotee of Lord Vitthal. He comes to get a glimpse of his Lord, maybe through the slightly open doors, but the Brahmins, they're fearful. They think that he will enter the temple and soil it. They beat him. But he says, please, 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 don't beat me. Don't beat me. I'm not going to go into your temple. I know, I'm of a low caste. I am not going to enter the temple. You know what? I will clean the premises here. I will keep everything around the temple very clean. Please, let me just be here. The Brahmins relent, and Tsokhamela is extremely happy. He goes about every day doing his chores of cleaning the premises around the temple. And while doing that, he sings. He sings out of love for his Lord Vitthal. And he sings so beautifully that all the other devotees flock around him, and he becomes extremely popular. But this is not acceptable to the Brahmins. Once again, they beat him mercilessly and throw him into the river. Poor Tsokhamela, somehow or the other, manages to swim across and goes onto the other bank. And he thinks, what is the point in living? Let me die. But then he says, no, I think the Lord wants me to live. Otherwise, how could I have survived when I was beaten so much and thrown into the river? So he's happy, he's on the other bank, and from there he looks at the temple afar. His back is hurting, he goes to sleep. Early morning, he gets up because he hears a voice calling him. Tsokha? He's fearful that the Brahmins have come again to beat him up. But then he realizes, no, it's my Lord that's calling me. And he jumps into the river, and the river parts. He just walks through. He walks through, goes to the temple. He sees that the door of the temple is open. He goes inside. He goes inside the temple, and he sees his Lord, his beautiful Lord. He has no words. He starts crying. He embraces his Lord, and his Lord embraces him. In these times, something like this is necessary, because when our Lord, whoever it is, be it Jesus, be it Allah, be it Krishna, be it Ram, they do not discriminate between their devotees, then why are we doing it? And hence, I'm very happy to present this item, Bhakti.
उष्ट्यासाठी आलो. चोखा म्हणे आणली पाटी, चोखा म्हणे आणली पाटी, चोखा म्हणे आणली पाटी. उष्ट्यासाठी आणली तुमच्या उष्ट्यासाठी, आणली तुमच्या उष्ट्यासाठी, आणली तुमच्या उष्ट्यासाठी आणली. जोहार माय बाप जोहार, जोहार माय बाप जोहार. तुमच्या महाराचा मी महार, तुमच्या महाराचा मी महार, तुमच्या महाराचा मी महार, तुमच्या महाराचा मी महार. जोहार माय बाप जोहार, जोहार माय बाप जोहार, जोहार माय बाप जोहार माय बाप जोहार. अबीर गुलाल, अबीर गुलाल, अबीर गुलाल. उधळीत रंग रंग रंग, अबीर गुलाल, उधळीत रंग. नाथा घरी नाचे माझा सखा पांडुरंग, नाथा घरी नाचे माझा सखा पांडुरंग. उंबरठ्यासी कैसे शिव आम्ही जातीहीन, उंबरठ्यासी कैसे शिव आम्ही जातीहीन. रूप तुझे कैसे पाहू त्यात आम्ही दीन. पायरीशी हो दंग, पायरीशी हो दंग, गाऊनी अभंग. नाथा घरी नाचे माझा सखा पांडुरंग, नाथा घरी नाचे माझा सखा पांडुरंग. वाळवंटी गाव आम्ही वाळवंटी नाचू, वाळवंटी गाव आम्ही वाळवंटी नाचू. चंद्रभागेच्या पाण्याने, चंद्रभागेच्या पाण्याने अंग अंग न्हाऊ. विठ्ठलाचे नाम घेऊ, विठ्ठलाचे नाम घेऊ, होऊन निसंग. नाथा घरी नाचे माझा सखा पांडुरंग, नाथा घरी नाचे माझा सखा पांडुरंग. आषाढी कार्तिकी, आषाढी कार्तिकी भक्तगण येती, आषाढी कार्तिकी भक्तगण येती. पंढरीच्या वाळवंटी, पंढरीच्या वाळवंटी भक्त गोळा होती. चोखा म्हणे नाम घेता, चोखा म्हणे नाम घेता, भक्त होती दंग. नाथा घरी नाचे माझा सखा पांडुरंग, नाथा घरी नाचे माझा सखा पांडुरंग. नाथा घरी नाचे माझा, नाथा घरी नाचे माझा, नाथा घरी नाचे माझा सखा पांडुरंग. चोख्या ए चोख्या 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 चोखट चांग एक माझा पांडुरंग चोखट चांग एक माझा पांडुरंग महाद्वारी चोखा मेळा विठ्ठल पाहतसे डोळा चोखट चांग एक माझा पांडुरंग सुंदर मुख कमल कस्तुरी मळवटी सुंदर मुख कमल कस्तुरी मळवटी मकराकार कुंडले श्रवणी ढाळ देती शंख चक्र गदा पद्म चहुकरी गळा वैजयंती माळा चंदनाची उटी कर दोन्ही कटी उभा असे विटेवारी कर दोन्ही कटी उभा असे विटेवारी तो हा पांडुरंग जाणा शांती रुक्मिणी निजांगना तो हा पांडुरंग जाणा शांती रुक्मिणी निजांगना ऐसा विठ्ठल हृदय ध्याई चोखा मेळा जडला पायी रूप हे सावळे गोड ते गोजिरे कासे सोनसळा नेसला पिवळा रूप हे सावळे गोड ते गोजिरे कासे सोनसळा नेसला पिवळा गरुड वाहन हरि देखियेला तेज हे फाकती दश दिशा चोखा म्हणे माझा जीवीचा जीवन प्रेमे आलिंगिले चोखियाने विठ्ठल पांडुरंग
We move on to our last presentation, the moksha. In the Indian philosophical and spiritual context, moksha, attaining moksha, is the ultimate aim, the ultimate goal. The moksha in Odissi is always the concluding item. It is a fast-paced dance based only on different rhythmic patterns. The dancer's soul becomes one with the Lord, one with the universe, presenting moksha.
So